How to stop someone from calling you on WhatsApp without blocking them. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can stop someone from calling you on WhatsApp without you having to block them. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the thing is that you cannot actually stop them from blocking, but what you can do is you can actually ignore them. So to ignore them is like, just blocking them, or is just ignoring them completely and you don't even have to see them. So if you want to do that, what you do is you actually locate who you want to, ignore. So if you find that person, simply swipe left for them, tap on more, there you will see mute. Tap on mute, and here tap on always. After you tap on always, what you'll next need to do is swipe left again on that very chat and tap on archive. After you've archived that person, now you won't be hearing their name or you won't be seeing their name in your chat section, and any messages from them will get muted as well. And that's basically how you can stop getting calls and messages from someone without having to block them. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.